Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to tell you how you can easily check plagiarism using Turnitin Instructor account. First of all, log into your instructor account, click here on login button and then enter your username and password and click on login. When you log in, this type of window will appear in front of you. Like there are three options: all classes, join TA, quick submit. Use quick submit option, and after clicking quick submit, next you will have to submit the paper. Click on submit and uh, you can see a window will appear like this. Search the internet, search the student paper, search periodicals, and then turn off repository by selecting no repository. Then click submit. And here you can see there is a button to upload the files. Choose files and then start uploading them. I'll have files here placed in downloads. Let's pause advocacy, and here you can see it's 1 second remaining and it's now processing. After processing, write the first name as Turnitin, second last name of the author. You can write by your own choice and give